Hello everyone, my name is Chris, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to optimize Windows 10 and 11 very quickly for maximum performance in any tasks, whether it be editing, productivity, gaming, or any other tasks you can think of. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. Before we start optimizing our computers, create a system restore point just in case you want for any of the changes you've done to your computer in this video. So how to create a system restore point is you go to your Windows Start menu and you type in create a restore point. And once you finish type that, you want to make sure that your local C drive, which is your system drive, is selected in the available drives tab. Then you want to click configure and make sure system protection is on and the disk usage is 2%. Click OK. And you want to type in create and type a random name, probably like restore point 1, and it's going to create the restore point right now. So the restore point is finished creating, you want to click close, and we're going to start optimizing our computer now. I'll go over the basic tips and tricks you can use to increase your performance in Windows. So the first tip is you want to go to your search bar and type in adjust the performance and appearance of Windows. Click on that, and this will automatically be let Windows choose what's best for your computer. Right, you want to choose adjust for best performance and then custom. And you want to make sure you check smooth edges screen fonts, show window contents on dragging, and show thumbnails extended icons. Click apply. Okay, and this is going to remove the animations from Windows, and this is going to make your computer feel overall more speedy and snappier. Next trick was actually pretty simple too, so all you have to do is go to Windows search bar and type in power plan, and you want to click on choose a power plan. And this will automatically lead you to this page, and you want to click on high performance, and this is want to make sure you get the most performance out of your computer and your CPU. And we want to change the plan settings, and you could change this to personal preference, turn off display, and put the computer to sleep. And you want to change the advanced power settings, click here, and you want to make sure this is set to 0, and the processor power management is set to a minimum processor state is set to 100, and the maximum processor state is set to 100. Click OK. Right, so what we just did is optimizing your CPU for the best performance in Windows. It's going to get you the best performance, and yeah. So the fourth thing we're going to do is optimize our Windows Start items to make our computer boot faster. So what you're going to do is do this. You want to go to your Windows Start icon, type in Task Manager, and you want to click Open. Then you want to go to App History, and delete the usage history by clicking on it. You want to go to Startup and disable the startup items you don't want starting up with your computer, like Grammy. I don't want that starting up. Java Update Scheduler, Xbox App Service, Windows Security Notifications. Only enable the ones that are really important starting up. Like I have my mouse software starting up. That's how I have all my mouse profiles saved. And don't disable anything you don't know. If you really want to disable it, you can also see like the startup impact. If you really want to disable it and it has a high startup impact, then research about the program application you're trying to disable. And if it's important, don't disable it. But it's not really important, then you could disable it. And that's the fourth tip. So the fifth thing we need to do is delete all Windows temporary files that were once used by the operating system. The reason they call temporary files is our operating system once needed these files, and once it stopped needing these files, it puts it in a folder called the temp folder, and this folder could turn out to be lots of space, and it's totally safe to delete. So what you want to do to delete these files is you want to press your Windows plus R keys together and type %temp %, and you want to click OK. Then you want to go here and delete all the files you have in here. So to do this, you want to press Ctrl A and then delete. And if it has this, you want to click do this for all current items and click skip. And it's going to delete the files. And the next thing we need to do is type in type in Windows plus R and type in temp route the % symbol, just like this. And you want to click that. And you want to press Ctrl A, and you want to delete it. And you want to do this for all current items and skip. And the last thing we're going to do is type in prefetch. and click OK. And you want to press Control A, delete. It's going to say this, press skip. And you want to go to your recycle bin and empty it out of what you just deleted. Empty, delete all these items, yes, and this is going to clear your temporary files, and this is going to make sure all your temporary files are cleared, and it's going to free up a bunch of space. And another thing you can do to free up space is you want to go to your Windows search bar and type in your Windows Start menu and type in this cleanup. And you want to click open, and you want to click select your drive. You want to clean up, make sure it's on C. And you want to click OK. And you want to click on clean up system files, and you want to make sure this is on C again, and click OK. And this is going to calculate the disk space you'll be able to free up. As you can see, make sure everything is checked. Not only are you able to free up 26.5 megabytes for some reason, but for you guys it's going to be a lot more than that. You're going to free up to like 50 gigabytes, and you're just going to delete all the temporary files in your computer that is no longer needed. Make sure everything is checked inside, and you want to click on OK, and you want to click on permanently delete these files, and you can just wait for this in the background for finish, and we're going to move on to the next step. Alright, so another tip and trick is that you want to go to your File Explorer by going to Windows search bar and type in File Explorer, click Open, and you want to go to your C drive and right click and click Properties, and you want to go to Tools and click on Error Checking, and you want to click on Scan Drive. It says you don't need to scan this drive, but just in case we have any like errors, you should scan it. So we're going to click on Scan Drive, and I'll check if I have any errors. So I don't have any errors, but just in case you have any errors, I want to tell you that you need to fix it. So it's going to restart your computer and just fix the errors for you. So what we're going to do now is optimize some more Windows settings, and to do this, all you have to do is go to your Windows Start menu, and in your search bar you have to type Settings. And after you type Settings, you want to go to System, then Notification and Actions, and make sure Notifications is off. Show me the Windows. Make sure all of this is off, and you want to go to Focus Assist and turn everything in this tab off. Then you want to go to Storage and turn on Storage Gens, and this is automatically going to free up space pretty easily. It's going to delete your temporary files, your files that's old in your recycle bin, and old files in your downloads, and this will free up like gigabytes of space, even a lot of space on your computer. And I think this is one of the most underrated features in Windows, so definitely turn this on. Then you want to go to your Home tab, and we can start optimizing more stuff in the settings. In this tab, what you're going to do is click on Personalization, and you want to go to Lock to Colors and make sure Transparency Effects is turned off. And this is also going to make your Windows feel much smoother. It's going to make things work much snappier. And just go back to the Home tab. If you're in the Home tab, you want to go on Apps, and you want to uninstall basically any unneeded app. If you don't know what that app does, don't uninstall it, but if you know what that app is and it's taking up a bunch of space on your computer, this is one of the most simplest and easiest ways to free up space is by uninstalling unneeded apps on your computer, and it's going to free up gigabytes of space. And you want to just, once you're finished, you just want to go to your Home tab, and we'll move on to the next tab. To the Privacy tab after, and you want to disable everything that's in here. This is going to allow Windows to track you. You know, companies like to track you on every single thing you use, and this make sure you disable everything so Windows won't track you and collect your personal information. And you want to click on Indicate and type in Personalization. Also turn this off. This is going to allow Windows to track you too. And diagnostic or feedback, make sure this is set to required. For some reason it says some of these settings are here managed by your organization, which blurs this out, but for you guys it's not going to be blurred, so make sure this is required because we don't want Windows getting any more information about us. And improve inking and typing. Shut this off to your experience and delete your diagnostic data by clicking this, and this is allow Windows not to track you. And yeah, after you finish clicking on apps, what you want to do is go to the Gaming tab, and you want to make sure game bar and open game bar using this button on the controller is off. This is enabling game bar is overall going to give you less FPS, and it's just really annoying. And game mode, people are going to tell you to keep this off, but there's really no reason to keep it game mode off. So just keep it on. And Xbox networking. Go to your Windows update and just go to delivery optimization. Make sure this is off because we don't want Windows downloading updates from other computers, and that could give us more lag and stuff. Alright, so the last step you could do to optimize your computer is by pressing your Windows plus R keys together and type MSConfing, and you want to click OK, and you want to make sure you have yours at selected startup, load system services, and load startup items. And you want to go to your boot tab, and you want to make sure you check no GUI boot. It's going to remove that loading circle when you boot, which is going to effectively increase your boot time. And what's even going to increase your boot time by more is by putting the time by like 5 seconds and click apply. And usually says it's going to optimize your boot time. It's going to make it so quickly, and it's going to make your computer overall more faster. You may get this message. Just click the X button. Yeah guys, that's going to be it for today's video. Make sure to restart your computer, apply all the changes. And if you found anything of this video useful, be sure to like, subscribe, share, or comment. It really does help the channel a lot. And comment how much it's improved your Windows performance. Anyways, I make similar videos related to this topic on the channel, so you may want to check those videos out. Anyways, peace.